Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the ignition on and the Accord's display active. This ensures the head unit responds. Once done, press Home, then tap Settings or Phone to reach Bluetooth. You're aiming for the paired devices list right away. Don't waste time cycling menus. If your unit shows a phone icon, select it. If not, open Bluetooth directly. This gets you to the items you can manage and sets up the exact control needed to remove a pairing cleanly. Now tap the device you want to remove and choose Delete or Forget. The label varies by software, but the function is the same. Confirm when the system asks. This severs the profile stored on the Accord. Make sure you also disable auto-connect features on the phone so it won't immediately try to repair. If the screen is sluggish, use the knob or menu control to navigate and press OK. Doing this prevents partial deletions that can leave ghost entries behind. Finish by checking both the Accord and your phone. Make sure the device no longer appears on either list. Once confirmed, try a quick reboot. Turn ignition off, wait 30 seconds, and restart the system. This clears temporary caches. If the device still returns or the head unit shows a ghost entry, perform the head unit's Bluetooth reset or, as a last resort, disconnect the 12V fuse for about 1 minute to force a hardware reboot. This usually clears persistent pairing problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.